In this video, let's see how to manage an email template. To view the Manage options of an email template, click the three-dot icon in the Action column. Here, we have the options to copy, share, and delete. First, we can look into Copy Template. In the pop-up, click the drop-down to select a user to whom the template is being copied. Choose a user from the list. Click the Copy button to proceed. A duplicate of this template has been transferred to Annie Leonhardt. They can now edit the template without altering the original version. Now, let's look how we can share an email template. Select Share with Subusers from the Actions drop-down. In the pop-up, choose a user from the drop-down list. Click on Save button to proceed. The email template has been shared with Annie Leonhardt, allowing her to view the edits in the original version. Now, let's see how we can delete an email template. To proceed with deleting, select Delete in the pop-up. The email template is now successfully deleted. Thank you for watching.